Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we will explore supermicrocomputer in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, and now we're here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any vital updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and detailed analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 30th of April, 2025, our system has categorized supermicrocomputer as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.19. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unexpectedly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 2.73%. This results in an average return of 1.37% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently rests within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further decline may be expected. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 18.83% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -62.53% to +25.56%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -54.21%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -100% to -31.90% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $22.29. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline, Supermicrocomputer Stock Upgraded to Sell Candidate. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, the supermicrocomputer stock price increased by 2.73%, rising from $31.86 to $32.73. Throughout that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 8.44%, with a low of $31.15 and a high of $33.78. The stock has experienced gains in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.63% over the past 2 weeks. However, it is important to note that trading volume decreased by 41 million shares on that day, with a total of 55 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.79 billion. This declining volume, alongside rising prices, may indicate divergence and could signal possible changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $101.40, while the lowest price was $17.25. Currently, the price sits 67.72%, or $68.67, below the 52-week high and 73.37%, or $90.17, below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $122.90. Shares of supermicrocomputer, known by its ticker SMCI, experienced a notable rise today, gaining nearly 5% as of midday. However, this increase comes in the shadow of disappointing preliminary results for the third quarter, where revenue fell short of expectations, initially sparking concerns that led to a 17% drop in pre-market trading yesterday. Analysts are expressing caution, as the company's guidance for the fiscal year may also require adjustments based on current sales trends. While the recent stock uptick may suggest optimism, the underlying issues are significant, with revenue for the third quarter in the range of $4.5 to $4.6 billion below projections and a concerning gross margin contraction of 220 basis points. Investors are worried about Supermicro's long-term scalability. The company's heavy reliance on a few major clients exacerbates this risk, elevating concentration concerns. Despite the presence of robust spending trends in artificial intelligence, analysts warn that the company's operational challenges and uncertain customer demand could weigh down future performance. These factors might hinder recovery efforts, impacting investor sentiment in the near term. The upcoming fourth quarter results may hold the key to understanding whether Supermicro can bounce back or if these underlying issues signal deeper problems. In summary, While today's slight recovery could indicate short-term market reactions to previous lows, lingering operational struggles pose risks for SMCI's stock price, both in the immediate future and for its long-term valuation trajectory. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 10th of March 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of February 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of February 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 6th of November 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a mixed grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Supermicro Computer stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro Computer. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even though prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence the near-term developments. The Supermicro Computer stock currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is higher than the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $34.72 and $35.39. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 19, 2025, and so far, the stock has declined by 45.68%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average, convergence, divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots registered a sell signal 51 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a sell signal 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 39 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average generated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 14 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. Supermicro Computer finds support from accumulated volume at $31.86. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock is subject to significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. During the previous day, the stock fluctuated by $2.63 between its high and low, representing an 8.44% change. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 6.47%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicro Computer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either low expectations for the company's future performance or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is projected for the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 52 cents. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's explore some potential day trading levels for Supermicro Computer. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicro Computer is at $39.14. For those who do not currently own shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. Conversely, for investors who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider swing trading. On the downside, Supermicro Computer faces its initial support level at $31.86. Should this support hold, it may present an attractive entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicro Computer from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 22nd of April, 2025, Liu Liang Chu Sarah conducted an insider purchase of 3 million shares of employee stock option, which is the right to buy. On the same day, Liang Charles also conducted an insider purchase of 3 million shares of employee stock option. On the 31st of March, 2025, Angel Scott conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares. On the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider purchase of 13,600 shares of common stock. On the same day, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider sale of 13,600 shares of stock option. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 80.062. Overall, insiders purchased 10,013,557 shares and sold 1,232,662 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and currently no stop loss has been established. Is Supermicro Computer stock a good buy? Supermicro Computer exhibits several negative signals and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. We anticipate that it will likely continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have reassessed our valuation of this stock, upgrading it from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 2nd of May, we expect Supermicro Computer to open lower by approximately 17 cents, starting at $32.55. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.